Join me as I dive into the world of RGTI stock to see if it's really about to explode. RGTI stock has been making some serious waves in the market lately, and it's caught the attention of a lot of investors. The company's been on a bit of a roller coaster ride, with its stock price fluctuating wildly over the past few months. But what's behind this volatility, and is it a sign of things to come? One of the biggest challenges RGTI faces is competition. The industry is super crowded, with a ton of other companies vying for market share. And let's be real, it's tough to stand out in a sea of similar products and services. RGTI's also had some issues with financial performance, with revenue growth slowing down in recent quarters. This has led some investors to question the company's long-term prospects. The industry trends aren't exactly in RGTI's favor either. We're seeing a shift towards more sustainable and eco-friendly solutions, and RGTI's product lineup might not be as well positioned as some of its competitors. And then there's the issue of regulatory risks. The company's operating in a space that's heavily regulated, which can be a major headache. RGTI's financials have been a bit of a concern, with some investors worrying about the company's ability to scale and grow profitably. The company's also had some issues with cash flow, which can make it tough to invest in new initiatives and stay ahead of the competition. So, what's RGTI's business model looking like? The company's focused on developing and commercializing innovative technologies for the renewable energy sector. And there's been some exciting news recently. RGTI just announced a new partnership with a major industry player, which could help drive growth and adoption. Expert opinions are mixed, but some analysts think RGTI's got a lot of potential for long-term growth. RGTI's been investing heavily in research and development, which could pay off in the long run. The company's also got a strong pipeline of new products and services, which could help drive revenue growth. But what do the experts think? Some are bullish on RGTI's prospects, citing its strong technology and growing demand for renewable energy solutions. One key event to watch is RGTI's upcoming earnings report. The company's set to release its quarterly results soon, and investors will be keeping a close eye on revenue growth and guidance. A strong report could send the stock price soaring, while a weak one could lead to a sell-off. There are also some potential catalysts on the horizon, such as new product launches or government policy changes. If RGTI can execute on its growth plans and stay ahead of the competition, we could see some major movement in the stock price. In terms of upcoming events, RGTI's got a few things in the works that could drive interest in the stock. The company's hosting an investor conference soon, which could provide some insight into its growth plans and outlook. To sum it up, RGTI's got some major challenges to overcome, but it's also got some promising growth opportunities. The company's business model is solid, and there are some potential catalysts on the horizon that could drive the stock price higher. So, what do you think about RGTI stock? Have you been following the company, or are you thinking of getting in on the action? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the renewable energy sector, be sure to check out my other video on the topic. I've linked it down below.